Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, man. I appreciate y'all dialing in, man. What y'all looking at, man, is a Denali 04 Yukon Denali, and I'm going to show you a few steps on how to replace the emergency brake assembly. Okay, I'm gonna let this right there on the ground. Actually, I'm gonna put it here because I need to show you guys something. All right, here we go. This is your park brake cable from the inside of the vehicle. See it right there? All right, and right up underneath it, you got a 10mm bolt right there. So you'll take that off. You notice how I still got it intact here. So you'll take it off here, and then right down at the bottom, you see how big this cable is compared to that little cable there, right? See? All right, this is the big cable that engages the emergency brake. All right, and the way you take that off, you'll turn it upward like this here, right in between that, line that up like so, like that. Slide it right out. See how that works? Right in there like that, and then turn it. It's locked. Okay, it just happened to cut that old one because it had to be replaced anyway. All right, then you got 3 bolts. You got one right here, one right there, one right there, and then you got one more wire. That's the brake indicator light. Tells you that the park brake is applied. That's that switch there. All right. Remember, it'll be sitting up in there like this, just like you see it. See the bolts? One there, one there, and one there. You take those guys off, 13mm. And then you can move that assembly out. All right, I took that off and let it go along with the ride because it's a little easier to work with this out of the vehicle than it is in the vehicle. Okay, and this one would be the same thing because all you have to do then is get up under the vehicle and it will come down in between there. See that comes from way inside that vehicle down there. Alright, come in this way here, lock itself in place, and then go up. So that one is the big one there. Alright, there you have it, guys. How to replace the emergency brake assembly in a 03 Yukon Denali. It's going to be the same thing for the 02, 03, 04, and 05, guys. You know, whether it's a Denali, Suburban, Tahoe, Yukon, it'd be similar to the same thing. Take this plastic here off, take that box right there off, then you got some pins here on the side, and that's an accessory panel is what that is, where a lot of your relays is. You take that off, and then boom, there it is. Okay, all right, there he is, there it is. All right, man, subscribe to the channel, give me some likes, share this video, man. Like I tell you guys, OG Trip, I'm not going to do it for you, but I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you still cannot get it done, you can contact me, you know, and get it over here if you know, here in my town, and I'll take care of it. All right.